have grown up in the Mount Druitt area and I see the great need for dedicated teachers. I want to teach here. I never realised, however, until recently, just how lucky these children are. Even the most disadvantaged children here have food, clean water and clothing. Did you know 1.4 million children died in 2003 before they reached the age of 5? Measles, malaria and diarrhoea are 3 of the biggest killers of children, yet all of these are preventable or treatable. Between 26 and 30,000 children die each day due to poverty, and they die quietly in some of the poorest villages on earth, far removed from the conscience of the world. Low attendance in schools and access to education is directly linked to poverty. 134 million children between the ages of 7 and 18 have never been to school. 94% of the children who don't attend school live in the developing world. Many of these children are in the workforce. Did you know less than 1% of what the world spends every year on weapons was needed to put every child into school by the year 2000? And yet it didn't happen. In 1998, people spent $8 billion on cosmetics in the United States. $17 billion was spent on pet foods in the US and Europe, and $780 billion was spent on military worldwide. In the same year, it was estimated that it would cost $6 billion to achieve universal access to basic education for all. It cost $9 billion for access to clean water and sanitation for all, and $13 billion for basic health and nutrition. If only 2 countries spent more money helping the poor than they do on their pets, we could see the end of poverty. If education is one of the main drivers for ending extreme poverty, then maybe we should be educating the Australian children about this. Maybe then they can change what we haven't. Do you think we will ever learn? Do you think we will ever change?